Hi everyone, it is Sandra from Midwest Charm coming to you today from the store. We've actually got some stuff to share with you. So, as you all know, we did a market this past weekend and we it was mixed. um it was mixed, but it was a great time. We were with some really great other vendors, and we did have a blast. And we got to see my brother, my sister-in-law, and my nephews, which was amazing. And I definitely don't do that enough, and we are definitely making that a priority. It was a blast. So, anyways, we come back, and I get the email that our Roycycled decoupage papers are on the way. We are now retailers for Roycycled decoupage papers and stencils, which we'll be getting in soon. And in the meantime, we were discussing where are we going to put these. When we first rented out this building, we had always planned on the room where the paint is being a make and take room. And with getting this new line, that is what we're going to be doing. So we kind of did some shuffling around. We did bring in stuff from the show that didn't sell. And so it kind of feels a little crowded in here more than the norm. But I just wanted to show you what we're working on and what you can expect when you walk in next time. And hopefully we'll have everything all set, ready to go before we do, our first make and take class, which will be early November. I will have details coming out on that soon. But first of all, let me flip you around and we will take a little quick tour. All right, so we are in the checkout area. Nothing over here has really changed. A lantern sold, so we moved little things around. We are getting in some soaps, handmade soaps and bath products. That I'm hoping will be this week. I think that'll be a great addition to what we already have. And we are bringing in Christmas stuff little by little by little. I'm hoping to have more in here soon. But we've got all sorts of fun stuff. This wool blanket, I love it. It's definitely old and vintage and just delicious. Love it. We brought in all the hooks, barnwood with hooks that didn't sell, so those are all in here until our next market. This bench was with us at the market as well. This one, very rusticy. I absolutely love it. It's been distressed and just, it's beautiful. And same with the toolbox. That is something that hasn't been in here before now too. And you guys, I do not know how this dresser has not sold. So many people come in and so many people love it, and so many people, the drawers are smooth and beautiful and all the lovely comments, and it's still here. How? But I feel the same way about a couple of these pieces. Usually these are like real quick sellers. All right, so in here, this little table galvanized piece is new. And I'm just now making my list because we have the Duluth junk hunt coming up. So I'm getting that prepared and trying to figure out what we're gonna bring with for that. Oh, there are some shutters and this really beautiful chippy screen back here. I love this little piece. This is just a great versatile piece that can be used for so much. All right. Well, let's take a look into the make and take room. It's gonna look mighty, mighty empty back here. We are in the process of selling a dresser that's in here that I did not flip. You may recall this little basket of frames from the market. That is in here for now. I did not move this because rehanging these windows can be a little bit of a bugger. And we have these great dough bowls in. You can come through and dig through what we have in the store because they're all each unique and different. They're just a little bit different. And then bread boxes I don't have anywhere for right at this moment. And this is the dresser we're getting rid of. So here is our paint line. We are in the process of bringing in a larger hutch to put on that wall. We do have this lovely 8-foot table in here for crafting on. And over here on this wall, we are waiting for my displays to come in. We're doing curtain wire, and we're gonna hang our decoupage papers up there and stencils, and then hopefully transfers and molds when we get those in. So I'm gonna pull this here. This door is gonna be taken off. I just forgot the electric drill today. The baskets are in here. And this little dresser is great. And yes, my friends came with me. I've got some, I love that clock. It's absolutely great. This framed picture is actually signed and numbered. I don't know much about it other than I absolutely loved it. And all I did was redo the frame to make it more cohesive. And then we have this bookshelf was with us down at the market, and same with like the hope sign and the extra things with the magnets you'll see in a couple spots. Some cool corbels, bookends, so, and of course soap dispensers, more bookends. And this is actually really super cute too. Oh, and a cute owl. And we moved our galvanized sorter back here. And this is another window that did not sell, along with my favorite chair ever, and a little stand. And then trying to figure out lighting for back here, so forgive my ugly lamp for right now. I just needed something to shine some light back here so people know you can still come back this area. This is actually where the card shop has moved to. So it's all in here. They're not open today because they had prior obligations, but there we have it. So this is how it looks today and where we're headed with it. If you have any questions or if you see anything you like, make sure to ask below. We do ship, and watch for more details on our make and take classes and pictures on how I'm going to finish up this room. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.